Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play F123. First, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls: throttle, brake, and steering. The game offers various driving assists, like traction control and anti-lock brakes, which you can adjust from 0 to 5 levels to suit your skill. Mastering cornering is crucial. Aim for a smooth line to carry maximum speed through each turn. Practice these basics to build a strong foundation for competitive racing. Once you've got the basics down, dive into car setup. Tweaking your aerodynamics, suspension, and differential can shave off crucial tenths of a second. Strategically deploy your energy recovery system, or ERS, and drag reduction system, DRS, in designated zones for bursts of speed. During longer races, carefully manage your tire wear across 5 different compounds and monitor your fuel load to ensure you finish strong without running out. Race strategy is key to victory. Plan your pit stops, considering tire degradation and potential weather changes. When overtaking, look for opportunities on the straights or under braking, always ensuring you leave one car's width for your opponent. Be prepared to adapt your strategy on the fly. A sudden downpour or a safety car deployment can completely change the race dynamics, requiring quick thinking and decisive action. F123 offers several exciting ways to play. Embark on a journey in the immersive career mode, aiming to become a Formula One world champion over many seasons. Test your skills against others in online multiplayer, choosing between ranked competitive races or more casual unranked sessions. Additionally, engage with F1 World, a hub for daily, weekly, and seasonal challenges, earning valuable rewards and upgrading your car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.